Gansons was founded on 19th August 1947, which automatically means that there can't be any brief introduction. Since our founding, we've pioneered everything from India's first locally made Bunsen burners and test tubes, all the way to the first stainless steel equipment made for various industries, to today, which we believe we're assisting Indian technology to be arguably the best in the world. So there can be no more exciting time for the Indian pharmaceutical industry and the technology. There's no better time for India than today. We believe more than the industry, we're contributing for our own health. And given the sheer volumes which India is already producing, it automatically follows that the technological improvements Gansons will be able to do will be unprecedented. We're already seeing a decline in process technologies from the traditional sources like in the West, primarily because the nature of the companies is less towards R&D per se or new innovations and more towards mere profits. And I believe Gansons, where we focus beyond profits for the long term, will help us to contribute to our own healthcare in the future.